Donovan with Simple Productions, back at it again with another little video. So I got another new product. This one was not on the last truck, the last 350 that I had, because it really didn't need to be replaced. And I'm going to just show you guys real quick of what I'm replacing and the reason why. They just need to be replaced, and I'll show you guys here in a second. So the back license plate back here. So as you see, I did not have a license plate light on the driver's side. The passenger side I do, but it is not bright at all. A little LED on there because it actually didn't have, it had a blown bulb in there, so it wasn't working at all. So I put LED in there, still not bright enough, and it just looks ugly for now, even though the whole bumper really just looks completely ugly. And it's going to replace at some point, but I figured I'm going to replace these, and it's something I can use in the future when I get a new bumper. And that is these quick plug, I guess they call it, these called are the like the I can't tell. I guess you can't, doesn't really matter which way you put it in, it'll work no matter what. But this is what they look like. Got the LEDs in there, and my buddy has these on his truck, and they're super bright. They're so bright that when you put them in, you have that little bit of clear lens up top, and when he has his backup camera, he really can't see because they're blinding him at the backup camera. So we had to end up taping that off and paint the top part there to help him out with the backup camera. But that's what they are. Since I don't have a backup camera, that's not that big of a deal. So we're going to get these installed. I'm going to put this one in. They should just slide on in. I don't think it matters which side is what. So set it in there. Try to get in there evenly. Just so. And just snaps right on in. Make sure you put it pointing to the license plate. The clear lens points to the license plate. Kind of common sense. This one, what you gotta do. Alright, so here's the back of the light. It's got these two clips on each side. So all you gotta do is reach your hand to the back, push clips. I think it's probably better to do one at a time. I'm trying to think, trying to see. So you push that clip in. It's kind of hard. Push that in and kind of push the light out. It should be easier than this. But these are probably the originals, and they actually used to make things better. Alright, so I got one side out, and we just kind of push the light, and there we go. So now, got the light out, and what you want to do is to unplug that. See, there's that LED that I put in there, so we're just going to pull that out, and I'll give that back to my buddy. So now, with this one, I didn't do it with that one. I should have pulled the actual wire out and then plugged this in first. So we're just going to plug this in. I'm going to try to do it with one hand, but I don't think I can. Let me put the phone down real quick. It's all plugged in. Before I put that all the way in, I'm going to turn the lights on and test that. Turn the lights on. And voila, they work. So now we can put that light back in. Like so, and there we go. So now we just gotta wait till nighttime and see actually how bright these are. That's weird. These lights are actually, all three of them are working. I think it was this one that wasn't working the other day, but that's going to be replaced anyways. So now all I gotta do is hook this one up to the wires, and they will be done. Out with the old, in with the new. They look a lot better. They seem to be working, and I'm sure they are pretty bright. But of course, being daytime, I really can't tell. So I'll be back at nighttime and show you guys the brightness and how much light they actually produce. So I'll see you guys at nighttime. Here's the end product. This is at nighttime, well, sort of nighttime, but it's like the perfect time that we can at least see, you know, a little bit more of the bumper and such, whatever. But these are the very bright, no error, as in, you know, no error as in no matter how you plug it in, it works. You have some LEDs you gotta plug in, they don't work the first time, take it back out, turn it, put it back in, it starts working. This is no error, so it works at, any way you plug it in. That way it's a little less hassle of wiring and risk of breaking any kind of pins and such. But that's the end product. You can see they are very, very bright. A lot of people are like, oh, why do you want to brighten up your license plate? You know, people can see it. You know, that's what they're made for. You know, it's just to have it bright. And plus, I like the LED look. Since this whole entire truck's gonna be all LED, it just kind of ties in with it. You know, of course, I got to do the cab lights, the side markers, the tail lights, the headlights, the third brake light. Already did the interior lights, and you know, so on. So everything's gonna be white LED, and that just ties it in. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure you guys follow along, comment below, like the channel, like this, you know, hit the like button down below. It really helps out, brings in more content for me, more audience for me to build content for you guys. You know, so it just kind of helps me out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys later, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Want to get crazy, we can get crazy.
Go and do it.
I knew you were. It's a nut.
It's a nut.